Reading Myanmar, Vowels Lesson 3. As in Lesson 2, we're going to cover two vowels in this lesson because they as well are very similar in appearance and sound. So the first one we're going to cover has two different forms, and it's placed in two different places in relation to the consonant. One you'll find directly under the consonant, one immediately to the right of the consonant, and a little bit larger in size. But the pronunciation is the same for both. It sounds like the U in flute with a creaky tone added. So it'll sound something like this. Oo, oo, oo. The Romanized form for this letter is the letter U followed by a period. In the language app and in the dictionary, the letter U with a period or dot directly underneath. Its usage is extensive, and again we'll just repeat, both forms are pronounced just the same. Here are some words that include the use of this vowel. The word for pray, su. The word for imitate, tu. The word for group, su. Here's a word I've selected from the language app to be able to listen to how this vowel is pronounced. Under the heading Introducing Songs and Prayers, it is the word used for to pray. So listen very carefully to this. It's a vowel that has a creaky sound. Now you'll see this one looks very similar. There are two lines instead of one for each of these formats. Again, there are two different forms. One appears under the consonant, one immediately to the right of the consonant. The pronunciation is also very similar. It sounds like the U in flute. However, it is not a creaky tone. It is the low tone. So it just sounds like a letter U. Ooh, ooh. The Romanized form is the letter U in both the language app and the dictionary. Its usage is also extensive. And once again, both forms are pronounced identically. Here are some words that you'll find utilizing this vowel. The word for not, this is a word that negates statements, makes them negative, is boo. The word for principle is moo. The word for take is you. Here's the word that I've selected from the language app for this particular vowel under the heading Presenting a Topic. It's the phrase to be able to say many people. So again, listen to the way that this vowel is pronounced. Compare it to the first vowel. Listen to the differences between the two to help you achieve the proper sound. And that ends Lesson 3.